Hi, I'm Eugene and welcome to cs517A, Operating System and Networking. First, let me define what is an operating system. According to David Hemendinger, Professor Emeritus, Department of Computer Science, Union College, Schenectady, New York, operating system or OS, program that manages a computer's resources, especially the allocation of those resources among other programs. Typical resources include the central processing unit, computer memory, file storage, input-output devices, and network connections. Management tasks include scheduling resource use to avoid conflicts and interference between programs. Unlike most programs, which complete a task and terminate, an operating system runs indefinitely and terminates only when the computer is turned off. Another definition of an operating system is from technopedia.com. An operating system, or OS, in its most general sense, is software that allows a user to run other applications on a computing device. The operating system manages a computer software hardware resources, including input devices such as keyboard and mouse, output devices such as display monitors, printers, and scanners, network devices such as modems, routers, and network connections, storage devices such as internal and external drives. The OS also provides services to facilitate the efficient execution and management of and memory allocations for any additional installed software application programs. If several programs are running at the same time, such as an internet browser, firewall, and antivirus, the OS will allocate the computer's resources, memory, CPU, and storage to make sure that each one of them receives what is needed to function. So, in both definition, you always hear that OS manages resources. So in addition to managing the resources, which are the memory, the CPU, the storage devices, the I/O, it also provides user interface. It boots up the device and configures the device. So here are some OS that are being used nowadays. So you have, first one is Ubuntu. Actually, this is a Linux based OS. You have Mac for Apple. You have Windows, Microsoft. You have Android. If you have a smartphone, most likely it uses Androids. And you have iOS. Again, this is Apple, but this is for their cell phones and tabs. And you have Linux. You have Tizen. Recently, Samsung came up with their own OS. Before, they're only using Android. Then you have Debian, and you have Chrome. Chrome, I think it's just only a couple of years ago that they also introduced their OS. Chrome used to be only used for browsing or browser. Okay, so to recap, operating system is a special software that is installed in most devices. Operating system manages the resources of the device where it resides. And there are many kinds of operating systems that are currently in use. Thank you.